Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to fix Astro A50 not turning on or charging. Okay, so guys, we are going to discuss by each step. Okay, so first step is check the charging torque of your Astro A15 headset. So how to check this? Inspect the connector. Check the connector is in the charging dock for any damage. Ensure that they are not out of shape and clean them if needed. The pins on the headset should align properly with the pins on the dock of charging. Okay. Clean the connectors. Use the use a needle to clean a dirt and debris from the connectors of the headset to ensure the proper connection with the charging dock. Okay, and then proper alignment. Make sure that the when you placed your Astro A15 headset in the base station, it is upright and correctly aligned for charging. The headset should start charging when the properly placed in the dock. Okay. Second is reset your Astro A50 headset. Turn on your Astro A50 via on button on the left ear cup. Press and hold the Dolby button and then game button for 25 seconds. Okay. Third is update the firmware on your Astro A50 headset. Download and install the Astro Command Center software on your PC or Mac from the official Astro Gaming website. Connect your Astro A50 headset to your PC or Mac using USB cable. Then open the Astro Command Center software and ensure your headset is connected and detected. Check for firmware update within the software by clicking on the red update button or visiting the gear icon in the upper right corner. If updates are available, follow the on-screen instruction to install the new firmware. Okay. Fourth is check the battery. If the reset does not work, your batteries might be damaged. In this case, contact the customer service for assistance. Okay, and then replace the battery. If the issue persists, then battery might be the fault. Replace the battery with the new one. Okay. Thanks, guys. Having a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.